Hey everyone! If you want to create an internal tool for managing users, monitoring data, tracking business metrics, or controlling operations, an admin dashboard is one of the most useful applications you can build with Appsmith. In this video, I'll show you how to build an admin dashboard in Appsmith from start to finish in 2026. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the workspace where you want to create the dashboard. Navigate to the Data Sources section and connect the database, API, or service that contains the information your dashboard will display. After the connection is established, create queries that retrieve the data you want to present. Test each query to verify that it returns accurate results. Now begin building the user interface. Drag and drop components onto the canvas. Next, bind your queries to the visual components. For example, connect database results to tables, display summary values in statistic widgets, and populate charts with query data. Finally, continue monitoring user feedback and application performance so you can improve the dashboard over time. And that's how to build an admin dashboard in Appsmith in 2026. With connected data sources, interactive components, and proper security controls, you can create powerful administrative tools without writing large amounts of code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.